Hello, welcome to C3 Streamland. So, in the last video, we created this circle, which is a very special circle. We call it a 9-point circle because 9 points of this circle, which lie on the circumference of this circle, they are also very special points on this triangle. So, let me quickly explain. So, G here is my orthocenter. That means I got this point after intersecting all the altitudes. Altitudes, I have explained it in another video. If I put a perpendicular line from point B on the side AC, then I repeat the same process with point A and point C. Wherever these three perpendicular lines meet, that is the orthocenter of my triangle. So, and using that, and also some other points like midpoints for each side. So D, E, and F, they are the midpoints for AB, BC, and AC respectively. F, I, and H. So, sorry, J, H, J, I, and H. So these 3 points are the points where my perpendicular line or my altitude will intersect the side of the triangle, right? That means if I extend this line down further, it will intersect or it will go through J, right? Excuse me. And third special set of points is the midpoint of each segment which is joining your orthocenter to your vertex. So if I join A and G together and if I take the midpoint, I will end up with K, L, and M. So these 3 points are the midpoints for my segments which are joining the altitude. Now all these 9 points we discovered in last video they are on a circumference of a very special circle. So in this video, let's just play with the points, the vertex, and let's try to move them. And let's see what happens to these 9 points. As you can see, they all stay on the circumference of a circle. They're moving their positions. The positions are changing, but all these points are still on the circumference of a circle. At one point, as you can see here, F there is only one point here. That means the altitude is perfectly going through the midpoint of AC also. If I move this, as you can see, now the points are distinguished, I and F. So this happens when I can do this for all three triangles. So I can try to make different triangles with it where my altitudes will intersect. And let's try to see what happens if I make it a right angle triangle. So let me try to bring it here. As you can see, the closer I'm coming, the 5 points, that means the altitude point for BA or AB and AC, that is J and I, and the midpoint K and orthocenter, all they are coming very close to point A or the one of the corner. And at some point of time, you can see that they are all merging together. And the moment it is a right angle triangle, as you can see, they will merge together. And now I have a circle. I have only 5 points on for my circle, right? Let's see what happens if it is an obtuse angle triangle. For some reason GeoGebra won't show me, but if you try to do it on the paper, you will see that some of the points will lie outside the triangle, and this 9-point circle will still exist with the majority part of the circle being outside of the triangle. So that's one of the small videos. Let's see in next video how we can mathematically prove this 9-point circle. Yes, till then, happy exploring.